Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your device. Make sure your Android and the phone app are updated so settings match what I describe. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or more. You want to access settings, then find blocked numbers or caller ID and spam. This gets you into the controls that manage blocked or filtered callers. Don't skip updates. Mismatched menus waste time. Now locate the list or toggle for blocking so you can begin unblocking specific numbers. Once inside the blocking menu, scan the blocked numbers list or call blocking section for the entry you want to restore. If the number is in recent calls, tap it and choose more details. From there, select unblock or remove. If it's labeled as spam by a filter, open caller ID and spam settings and inspect filtered calls. Make sure to confirm any prompts to unblock. Removing the entry tells Android to stop rejecting calls from that number and lets future calls ring through normally. After unblocking, verify success by asking the contact to call or by placing a quick test call yourself. Confirm it rings. If calls remain blocked, check carrier-level blocking and any third-party call blocking or antivirus apps. These often override system settings. As a last step, reset phone app preferences or toggle caller ID and spam filtering off and on to refresh rules. If problems persist, contact your carrier. They can remove network blocks. This troubleshooting tip solves most edge cases without complex steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.